Hello and welcome back to our channel. Medieval and Renaissance periods. Fast forward to the medieval and Renaissance periods, and we begin to see more deliberate use of oxidation. Silver and other metals were often intentionally oxidized or blackened to add depth and contrast to the intricate designs. This was especially prominent in jewelry worn by the elite, where darkened silver accentuated the precious stones or detailed engraving. Artists and jewelers of the time appreciated the balance of light and dark in their creations, believing that the oxidized look emphasized the craftsmanship and made the jewelry appear even more timeless. The Industrial Revolution to 20th century. As we move into the 19th and 20th centuries, jewelry designs began to change with the times. The Industrial Revolution and advancements in technology introduced new materials and production methods. But it wasn't until the Art Nouveau and Art Deco movements in the early 20th century that oxidized finishes truly became a popular artistic choice. The revival of oxidized jewelry in modern times. Oxidized jewelry has made a strong comeback, with modern jewelers embracing this vintage technique to give their designs a contemporary, edgy flair. Whether it's blackened silver, oxidized brass, or even gold, the darkened finish creates a striking contrast that aligns with today's bold, minimalist, and Gothic fashion trends. Jewelers use a variety of methods, from natural patinas to chemical oxidation processes, to achieve the signature dark, matte look, offering endless creative possibilities for both sleek, modern styles and vintage-inspired pieces. The appeal of oxidized jewelry. Oxidized jewelry appeals due to its unique aesthetic and symbolic depth. The darkened finish adds character, making each piece feel personal, while also evoking a sense of history that connects the past with the present. From ancient civilizations to modern fashion, oxidized jewelry has stood the test of time, evolving and adapting with each new era. Whether you're a history enthusiast or a fashion-forward trendsetter, there's no denying the unique charm and versatility that oxidized jewelry brings to the world of adornment. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more jewelry updates.